Okay, here we are.
Am I going to appear on YouTube now?
Probably. So
how do I just go back?
no, the other way. Yeah, correct. You just yeah. Okay, so I'll just film you a bit.
Right, now you have to tell me directions.
Yeah, it's quite easy. We basically backtrack. So we just ride down here to the main road and turn left. So
Let's see how this works in traffic jam.
exactly.
And Brompton still wins this.
Yeah. So we just go down past the Pudo station.
You can pull your pan.
Yep. Not recommended to ride one-handed and
make sure you go real slow because you only have one hand on it.
it's okay. So how is the riding experience? Online interview here.
It sounds like I'm riding a big motorcycle actually.
Okay. Yeah, it's quite a massive. I mean, it's
because there's a very big clearance in front.
Exactly.
And the view is in front, not here.
Yeah. But is it? I mean, the steering.
No, that's good.
Yeah. It's okay, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Let me go first. I go.
Yeah, you go first. Grill and suitcases. So oh. So at this light we turn right.
Right?
Yeah, so we go down to Masjid Jamek.
I'm not sure if I have the clearance.
Try it out.
No.
I think can. Or if you go straight. Oh.
I don't want to scratch it. That's cool.
Yep. Exactly. Whoa. This time cannot. But the key is to, yeah, when you squeeze through, you're going in a straight line.
Yeah, this do this.
Oh, they're watering the plants. Look at that. Station. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, you can just park here, that's right. Go straight now. Squeeze through. Yeah. So there's definitely a bit of squeezing. Oh yeah.
Can you record for you?
Yeah. It's okay. So yeah, so I'll...
Oh, it stopped already, is it?
I don't think so. No, I think it's still...
Are you going to hold it when you cycle this?
Sorry?
Are you going to hold it when you're cycling this?
No. I shot a video already. I already shot a video of me cycling with this one as a cargo.
I was going to record you on low battery.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, this is a gimbal.
See, like... I'm sure it's fine. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the best position. Voila. Oh, I forgot to put the basket. Okay, I was a little bit too coy. But okay, I'll figure that out.
Hey, you forgot about the helmet.
Oh yeah, and your helmet. We'll put that in the basket.
You have a lot of things hanging by.
Yeah. Just strap it on the cycle as well. Alright, done.
Okay.
Over and out.
Hey, going to stop it or no?
Yeah. Yeah, it's still running. Yeah. Okay, goodbye.